Welcome to Morphilm Academy. This is the Sony UWP-D. We've talked about them in a previous video, but today we're just talking about our I.f.b. setup. So these can indeed be used as an I.f.b. system for your clients, the director, or your boom pro operator. However, they have these annoying front-facing volume buttons. So if you want to protect them in a pouch, it gets complicated. Here is our setup. First, we bought these gauze carrying cases. They fit them perfectly and secure your receivers in with this elastic. And clip to your belt with this quality metal clip. However, they don't let you access the volume buttons. Our solution is simply to cut them open. We used a knife and then burned the edges with a lighter to seal them. Although not the most elegant solution, it works very well and we haven't had any complaints on looks and usability. We still have one problem, however. Changing the batteries suck, and on these receivers, they don't last all day. So our solution is these Gang portable chargers. They're very slim batteries with integrated USB-C cables. It so happens that they fit right in the back of the receivers and will power them for about 2 days. Also, you can simply charge them through the USB port. So technically, they never have to get out of the pouches. Next, when plugging headphones in, make sure you loop them under the belt clip to protect your ports. So we've been rocking this setup for about a year and we can't seem to find a better solution yet, except maybe 3D printing a dedicated case for all of that. We'll see. In conclusion, it's not a perfect solution, and simply using Sennheiser IEMs or Comteks might be easier. But if you already have them in your kit, why not use them? Let us know if you have a better system for these, or any questions. Thanks for watching.